In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube handle or your YouTube @ Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But yeah, in order to do this, first go onto YouTube, and from the YouTube homepage or your YouTube channel page, just go ahead and select your profile icon up in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop down that appears. From here, go ahead and select customization in this left sidebar over here, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. If you scroll down, you're going to see a name section, and right below that name section is going to be your YouTube handle. Now, this is going to be a unique handle, and sometimes you might have to keep it unique by adding letters and numbers, and it can only be changed every 14 days. So keep that in mind. You don't want to go ahead and change it to something that you don't want, but here is where you would want to go ahead and change that YouTube @ or handle. Now it's going to pop up red if it's already been taken. YouTube pretty much just tells you that it's already been taken, which once again is why it recommends that you add letters or numbers to keep it unique. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If this video did help you out at all, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more YouTube specific related content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.